The most well-liked tourist destination in the south of Brazil is Florianopolis, which is surrounded by protected areas and blessed with a pleasant climate. Numerous tourists are drawn to the city and its surroundings, particularly those who enjoy ecotourism and wildlife. Along with majestic sand dunes and miles of unspoiled golden beaches, the moist Atlantic Ocean and mangrove forest can be found there. Rare species of animals, many of which are endemic and can only be found here, call the island's crystal clear lakes home. On either side of the slender Canal de Santa Catarina, which divides the continent from Ilha de Santa Catarina, the city is picturesquely positioned. Only a small portion of the city is located on the opposite continental coast. The city itself takes up the entire island. Despite having a lot of historic colonial-style buildings and old neighborhoods, Florianopolis has a primarily modern appearance and architecture. But this island is home to much more than just a wide range of activities. It is also the subject of ancient myths. Florianopolis is also known as Ilha da Magia, the Magic Island, because of how everyone who sets foot on its soil is enchanted by its allure and beauty. Fables from long ago describe witches and sorcerers, putting the locals under spells and curses. The seafood in Florianopolis is exceptional, especially the oysters. It might be because the island provides all of Brazil, the largest country in the world, as well as many other South American nations, with oysters. Nothing compares to eating oysters that have just been pulled from the sea with a flavor that is really good. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The majority of Florianopolis' nightlife is centered on the city's beaches during the summer, but during the winter Lagoa de Conceição becomes the place to be. Wild parties are hosted by Milk, P12 and Café de la Musique. If the club scene isn't your thing, check out Dust Pub for some local Brazilian sertanejo music, which is similar to country music. Sandboarding is a thrilling way to spend an afternoon in Floripa, which is covered in white sand dunes. In essence, you lie on a piece of wood and speed down the dunes while admiring the expansive views of Lagoa de Conceição. Even though the island's beaches and natural areas receive most of the attention, the historic center is still worthwhile of your time. Visit the market, one of the many museums, and the pedestrianized streets lined with buildings in vibrant colors. The 18th century Palacio Cruz de Sousa Palace, which was originally bright pink, is now a history museum with authentically decorated rooms. The official fine arts museum of the region, Museu de Arte de Santa Catarina, is open to the public and is free to enter. If it isn't already obvious, Floripa has a particular charm that is unmatched elsewhere. The island is about testing your limits, going on uncharted adventures, and coming face to face with the unknowable. Visit it and you will be amazed by its allure and beauty around every corner.